guys. Today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 143, which is reorder list. So it's a medium level Leetcode problem and it requires a lot of coding to solve this problem. So suppose you are given the head of a singly linked list. The list can be represented as L0, L1, L2 and so on to Ln minus 1 and Ln. Reorder the list to be on the following form. L0 will point to Ln, Ln will point to L1, L1 will point to Ln minus 1, and this will point to L2, and L2 will point to Ln minus 2. So you may not modify the values in the list nodes, only nodes themselves may be changed. For example, we have this linked list 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to modify like this 1, 4, 2, 3, right? In example 2, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to modify like this 1, 5, 2, 4, 3. So if you look at uh, this problem, we need to basically divide this problem into sub problems. So first we need to basically uh, divide this linked list into two halves. The first half will be L0 to n minus n by 2, and then we will have from n by 2 to n. So first we need to divide the linked list into two half. Then we need to basically reverse the second half of the linked list. After reversing the second half, we need to merge the two linked list again. Then we will get a pattern like this L0 to Ln, and then it will point to L1 and so on, right? So basically three sub problems. First, divide the linked list into two halves. Second, reverse the second half. Third, merge the two linked list again. So let's first divide the linked list into two halves, okay? So we will use a slow fast pointer approach like this, while fast is not equals to null. Slow will move like this. Slow is equals to slow dot next. Fast is equals to fast dot next. If fast is not null, then basically we will move one pointer again for fast. At the end, the slow pointer will have the second head, second half head is equals to slow. Now what we can do, we can have a previous also. So previous will be slow here. We are tracking previous so that we can mark this previous dot next is equals to null. Now we have two heads. First one is this one, second one is second half head. So linked list is divided into two halves. Now let's reverse this second half. So let's have previous is equals to none, current is equals to second half head, while current is not equals to none. So we will do next is equals to cur dot next, cur dot previous is equals to previous, and then previous is equals to current, and current is equals to next. In this way, we basically reverse the second half. At the end, we will mark second half head is equals to previous. So this is the same algorithm which we have used earlier to reverse the linked list. Now we have two linked list. First and second half is reversed. Now let's merge the two linked list. So we will have while what should we do? Yeah, L1 and L2. So what we can do here, result is equals to list node. Let's initialize this while node and second half node are not null. So result dot next. Okay, so this is result. Okay, let's have a tail also. Tail is equals to result. Tail dot next is equals to node. Node is equals to node dot next. And then we will move the tail also like this. Similarly, we will do it for second half like this. Now let's say if node is still remaining, if node is not null, then what we are going to basically do tail dot next equals to node. Similarly, we will do it for second half. Oh, this is a head. Okay, this is a head. Head, 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 head. Here also head. Here also. Second half head. Now we have used head only, right? Let's see. Yeah. So this looks okay. Let's return result dot next. Let's run the code. The code. Okay, so all the test cases are passed as you can see over here. Let's submit the code. So you see submission is accepted. Our code is working fine. And yeah, I mean the code is working fine and the time complexity of this code is order of n because we are using one loop only every time. So basically we are doing three loops, right? So it is order of 3n. So 3 is a constant, so we will say order of n. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.